7 p.m. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Rockwall County in north-central Texas, southwestern Collin County in north-central Texas, northern Dallas County in north-central Texas, until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:06 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Dallas left field, or near Farmers Branch, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Dallas, Farmers Branch, University Park, Addison, and Highland Park around 7:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Carrollton and Richardson around 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Plano around 7:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Garland around 7:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Allen, Murphy, and Parker around 7:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Lucas around 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Wiley and Fairview around 7:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Lavon Lake, Buckingham, St. Paul, White Rock Lake, Lavon, and Lake Ray Hubbard. This includes Interstate 35E between mile markers 428 and 438. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. listening area. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Rockwall County in north-central Texas, southeastern Collin County in north-central Texas, northeastern Dallas County in north-central Texas, until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:26 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Garland, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Dallas, Garland, Mesquite, Rowlett, and Sunnyvale around 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Rockwall and Eve around 7:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Mobile City around 7:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Fade around 7:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Roy City around 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include McClendon, Chisholm, Lake Ray Hubbard, White Rock Lake, Nevada, Josephine, and Levon. This includes Interstate 30 near mile marker 51, in between mile markers 54 and 79. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
In our programming, the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service issued new severe thunderstorm warnings, extended severe thunderstorm warnings for Rockwall, Collins, and Dallas counties until 8:30. Thunderstorms have intensified over the area. They're moving slowly to the east-northeast at 25 miles per hour, but they will be in Rockwall, Collin, and Dallas counties until 8:30 tonight. In fact, additional thunderstorms are just showing up now on radar in the Arlington Grand Prairie area. Those storms again developing, intensifying, and then moving off to the northeast. But now we're getting indication of 1 to 1.5 inch hail around Mesquite and also even towards the Rollins area, moving on out towards Princeton. So again, large hail damaging winds, isolated tornadoes possible in this area according to the thunderstorm watch until 2 o'clock. Again, we have new severe thunderstorm warnings extending for Rockwall, southeastern Collins, and northeastern Dallas counties until 8:30. All those Texas stations affected by the alert are requesting to relay the proceedings.
Y'all need to see the weight. This is the bucks and the fly. How to be the snacks. To be this possible now. Come on. Do it. Oops. Yeah, boom. What the hell? What the hell?
And one more severe thunderstorm warning extension for Collin County. Stand by as we alert other stations in the area on WDAT. We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service issuing new severe thunderstorm warnings for northwestern Hunt, northwestern Delta County, southwestern Lamar County, and Fannin County, also including northeastern Collin County, until 9 o'clock. Cluster severe thunderstorms located near Merritt, about 36 miles northwest of Greenville, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. These storms may contain impossible size hail for 60 miles per hour winds. Storms will be Leonard and Swell Rapids. Once again, severe thunderstorm warnings for northeastern Collin County, along with portions of Hunt, Delta, Lamar, and Fannin County until 9 o'clock. Severe thunderstorm located now near Merritt, 16 miles northwest of Greenville, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message. Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Dallas County until 10:15. South Florida indicates strong thunderstorms producing heavy rain over northeastern Dallas County. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain already fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1.5 inches are forecasted. Storm coverage to be imminent or already underway in northeast Dallas County. Again, a flash flood warning for northeastern Dallas County until 10:15. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.
Oh no, it's another double triple headers.
Flood warning for northeastern Dallas County until 10:15. South Florida indicates strong thunderstorms producing heavy rain over northeastern Dallas County. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain already fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1.5 inches. Flash flooding is either imminent or already underway in northeast Dallas County. Again, a flash flood warning for northeastern Dallas County. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are expected to relay the preceding message.
Oh guys, another triple header match. You're kidding me now. You're kidding me now. Again. The Dallas County's again, what the fuck? Who the hell is this? Who the hell about this? Good morning.
We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service issuing a new severe thunderstorm warning until 8:30 for Rockwall and southeastern Collin counties. Moving east, this storm near Rockwall moving east at 25 miles per hour. This storm is now reported to contain tennis ball-sized hail and 60-mile-per-hour winds. This severe storm will be near Royce City. We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. A request to relay the preceding message. Thunderstorm warning until 8:30 for Rockwall and southeastern Collin counties. Moving east, this storm near Rockwall moving east at 25 miles per hour. This storm is now reported to contain tennis ball-sized hail and 60-mile-per-hour winds. This severe storm will be near Royce City by 8:20. Protect what you can. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning in effect now until 8:30 for Rockwall and southeastern Collin County. Severe thunderstorm located near Fate or near Rockwall, moving east at 25 miles per hour, and credible reports of tennis ball-sized hail and 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.
Because they should be condemned totally. But again, how many times